We developed Silverescent for one reason. We don't want our tech tops, so the tops that we sweat in, to smell anymore. It was just the number one thing that all of our athletes in all the cities we were in were saying, fix that.
Interestingly, the sweat does not stink. It is bacteria that feed off sweat that predominantly cause the stink. Traditionally, people used cottons, and when they get wet, they stay wet for a long time, they don't dry quick. Then people started using polyester and polypropylene, but what happens is they are super hydrophobic fibers. That means they do not absorb any moisture. They create a perfect environmental for bacterial growth. So literally there is a fine biofilm formed on these fabrics, and as you keep wearing, it keeps on building and starts stinking really bad over a period of time.
Mildewy mixed with sweat body odor. Yeah, it would definitely be sweat gone bad.
We wanted to find a solution to this. We came across this technology called X-Static. X-Static is a yarn that has got pure 99.9% silver permanently bonded on a nylon yarn.
It's antibacterial. It stops the odor-causing bacteria from embedding itself into the yarns.
The silver we use is permanently bonded, so it doesn't leach off in washing. You can keep washing them, wearing them, and they won't build that stink that you will see in polyester or polypropylene fabrics.
The technology of anti-stink is there with you as long as that garment is with you.
In terms of performance, it has anti-stink properties, it has optimum level of wicking, it has optimum level of quick dry.
So knowing the awesomeness of Silverescent and the benefits of having a Silverescent yarn in your product, we put Silverescent into our running, we put it into our really hot, sweaty yoga product, we put it into our cycling product, and definitely our men's tech tops.
What I love most about my job is we get to create the future. We get to create like next generation of fibers. We get to work on next generation of fabrics, and that really excites me.